So good morning from Jeff. I'm not in the workshop today. I'm on a drive in the Jag XK8. I'm going out to a place called Cowley, where I have a motor glider in a hangar, which I'm going to do its annual inspection on. So I'm driving in the Jag. I had a choice of which car to take today. I'm taking the wife's Santa Fe, which is a very comfortable car. I'm going to take in the Mercedes SL600 V12, which is very comfortable. But I thought, I haven't been in the Jag for a while, so I'll take this one out here for the first time. So it's an 80-mile trip one way, 130 kilometers-ish. About an hour and 20 minutes. And then go through one town called Pincher Creek. Very quiet roads. These are country roads here in southern Alberta. That's where I am. And in front of me, I don't know if you can see, is the eastern slopes of the Rocky Mountains. So this is a bit of a shakedown run first gear for the Jag. I am doing 2,000 RPM. Those of you who have an XK8 know how fast that is. I have 661 kilometers range in the tank, which is basically full. I've already done about 40 kilometers since the film. It's 8:30 in the morning, and the outside temperature is 17 degrees. It's going to be 30 degrees today here. It's June the 12th today. Beautiful day for a drive. I thought I wanted to share some of this drive with you. As you can see, I'm just cruising along here. Roads are fairly straight, fairly smooth on this little stretch. The scenery is beautiful. So there's hardly any traffic on the roads. Even when I come out here on normal days, it's just quiet. So I'll let you just enjoy the drive with me. So a little bit about the XK8. It's a 1997. It was actually built in 1996. It's a coupe. It's black on black on black. The extra black is it's got black Jaguar insignias on the back. The car's in beautiful mint condition. You may have seen my other videos. It's a beautiful place to be driving these cars on these long journeys. I bought this car specifically to drive on the highways here. I wanted to take it across country, actually, across Canada, before the shutdown started. So just crossing a reservoir here. And to my left, you can see it a little bit bumpy, I believe. So I've got a little bit bumpy road there. Suspension on the Jag is superb. These are such a well-planted car. Very smooth, very quiet. It's just effortless to drive. If the video's shaking a little bit, it's just because I got it mounted on the, my phone is mounted on the dashboard. And this little bit of road here is not going to cross the reservoir, it's not that good. So, a bit about the Jag. It's black leather interior. I've got a beautiful wood inside here. Beautiful place to be. Very quiet, as you can probably hear. I'm doing 2,000 RPM. I don't want to say what speed I'm doing because I'm slightly over the speed limit. It goes around corners effortlessly. Beautiful car. I haven't really done anything to it. The only modifications I made was the minor inlet manifold with the K&N air filter on the front. Everything else is just stock. It's all original. Nothing's been done to it. What else to say about it? It's just effortless to drive. Beautiful to drive. Steering is nice and weighted just right. No, just passed a vehicle going the other way. How unusual. It's just a really nice place to be driving. It's effortless to drive this across country. It's just a beautiful car. What I'm going to do, I'm just going to turn you around. Stop and turn around, and now you see me, and you'll just see me inside the car. Hello, again. Welcome back. Now you see it looking backwards. You see me driving. I'm heading out to Cowley, where I have a motor glider. I'm a instructor pilot in gliders. I own myself what's called an Jaguar motor glider. I have videos of that as well on my channel. It just needs an annual inspection. Because it comes under the amateur built status, I can do it myself. I am a mechanical engineer. I know what I'm doing, so I'm quite confident going over the aircraft. I have to do an oil change on it, and little things like that. So that's where I'm heading out. When I get there, I'll actually do a little walk around with the car and the glider in the background as well. I'll show you what I'm up to. So, thanks for joining me on this little bit of road. It's a beautiful drive. I'm about, where am I? About 25 minutes away to where I need to be heading. The road is very quiet. I'm just passing a landmark this way to the south called St. Henry's Church. It's one of the oldest churches that's in the area. I think it was around about 1900s, 1905, somewhere around there. It's just a small Roman Catholic church. I like taking pictures up there. You probably know I'm also a photographer as well. And in the seat next to me, I have all my cameras with me as well. It's quite often on this trip, I will see an opportunity to take pictures, and I'll stop and just pull over and take some pictures. It's been very quiet this morning. I'm not seeing a lot of wildlife, eagles or anything like that. So just enjoying the beautiful drive. Anyway, that's all for now, I think. Thanks for joining me again, and I will get back to you probably at the airfield, and I'll do a bit on the return journey as well. So it's just something a little bit different on my videos. Thank you. Bye for now. See you later. So I've arrived at the airfield, or just about to arrive there. The last 2 kilometers is all gravel road, which is quite common for the back lanes in Alberta. So just driving down, I'm on the actual airfield right now. There's no other activity here really apart from the gliding club. Oh, beautiful big hawk just on the post there. That yellow thing there is the winch. Oh, there's a lot of dandelions. Oh, my word. I'm going to have to come out here with a weed killer and kill these dandelions off here. So there's the Lethbridge Soaring Club's hangar. Inside there is my motor glider. Kind of glad the Jaguar has got a decent amount of ground clearance compared to other cars like this. So, yeah, this is weeds are really thick. A little while ago, we actually fertilized the land as well. You can see that's really working well. We need to get the grass cut here. But here's the hangar. I'm just going to park over by the bench. Then my day works. My work today begins. I will turn off now, and I will talk to you a little bit later. Well, I'm on my way home. I did the annual on the Jaguar. Sorry I didn't take any pictures with the up there with the motor glider. It's just it's a really hot day here today. It's 27 degrees around there. Nice hot day. So I'm just driving through the small town of Pincher Creek on my way home. Air conditioning is working nice. It's nice and cool in here. Beautiful. I just stopped at A&W and got myself a root beer. My British friends, you know what a root beer is? When you first try it, the first thing you say, it tastes like Germany. It is a very refreshing and just touches a spot on a cold day, and I'm using my cup holder, which is built into the armrest here. So, been a good day. Jag's going nice. I'll be about another hour and 10 minutes before I get home. So, a little bit about the Jag, a bit more. It's got about 130,000 kilometers on here, quite low mileage for the year. And I'm led to believe, or I know for a fact, that Jaguar had changed this engine out at 70,000 kilometers. They replaced the whole engine. So this engine's only got 70,000 kilometers on it. So I presume it was through the Nickel timing chains and all the other stuff that goes along with it. It's a nice little convertible bug. What? So, house back in the country. That's the only town I passed through on this trip in the hour I'm driving. Live in a beautiful part of Alberta, in the southern part. Yeah, the Jag is a beautiful long distance car to drive in. Very comfortable, smooth. Now I got an idiot trying to overtake me in the truck. I don't know what's going on. So anyway, interesting. Yeah, beautiful day. Got the job done. What I'm going to do is wash the motor glider down next weekend when I come out. But what I'm going to do next weekend is bring the Mercedes out. We'll do a comparison with the 95 Mercedes SL600. So that'll be a good comparison between the two. I think the Jaguar is a little bit more comfortable from the little bits I've driven the car so far. Anyway, all for now. I hope you have a nice time. Thank you for joining me on this little drive. So I'm on my way home. Beautiful hot day. See you soon. Bye for now. Just going to share a little bit more of my drive. I'm heading south right now. I'm going to come into one of the... Actually, I'm going to slow down just a little bit so it doesn't go too fast here for you. One of the best views on this drive, on this return. So, I'm heading towards what's called Waterton Park, and this is a beautiful vista just opened out in front of me. And we've got the Rockies in front, the eastern slopes. If I carry on down this road, I'm going to end up near Waterton Park, which is nestled in the mountains, just forward and to the right. I don't know if you can see in the background, there is a mountain called Chief Mountain, which is quite prominent, just standing up quite on its own. And I'm just about to turn off onto Highway 505, heading east, heading back towards my hometown, McGrath. So I just want to share that little view with you. Just get around this corner and I'll turn the camera off and we'll say goodbye again. Bye for now.